The nutrition in humans involve 5 steps. Which are the 5 steps you know? The 5 steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. What is ingestion? Ingestion is the process of taking in food through the mouth. What is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking up of the large food particles into small food particles is known as digestion. The third step is known as absorption. After digestion, the nutrients present in the food will be absorbed by the body. The process is known as absorption. And the fourth step is assimilation. What is assimilation? Assimilation means the nutrients absorbed by the body is utilized by each cell of the body is known as assimilation. And the last step is egestion. What is egestion? Egestion is the process of elimination of waste materials from the rectum is known as elimination, egestion. Let's see, this is the alimentary canal or digestive system of humans. The digestive system of humans composed of the mouth. Mouth is the slit-like opening through which the food is taken in, which enters into a large cavity. The cavity is known as buccal cavity. The buccal cavity leads to a short tube. This short tube is known as esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. And the esophagus connects to a bag like a large bag-like organ which is known as stomach. And the food taken in through the buccal cavity passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach and stays there for hours for the digestion. And after partial digestion of the food from the stomach slowly passes through the duodenum. This bent tube is known as duodenum. It is the first part of small intestine. So, from the stomach, the food passes through the duodenum and slowly enters into the small intestine. Small intestine, it is a long tube of short width, small width. Okay. So, the food passes through the small intestine and by the time the complete digestion of food will be taking place and the nutrients present in the food will be absorbed by the wall of the small intestine. Then from the small intestine, undigested food materials will be passed into the large intestine and through this is the large intestine and through the large intestine the undigested waste materials will be passed and finally stored inside the rectum. Rectum is a small pouch-like organ where the undigested food materials will be or fecal matter will be stored and from there the fecal materials will be eliminated. Let's study each part in detail.